Okay, so what I got here is the BMW 4 Series 2019, now installed with a factory style boot handle camera. So as you can see, factory style fit, all done on the original screen with the new reverse camera interface system. So, just start the vehicle up. We are not modified anything, everything is still original. You put the car into reverse, comes up on the screen, and also with support for full moving guidelines as well. And also your sensors get displayed on the top right corner. You can see your sensors there. So if you want something like this installed on yours, give us a shout.